Around your house that's a little bit of has a little bit of weight to it. Otherwise, you can actually just do this completely body weight and just use your muscles against themselves.
Oh my gosh, like my house is a mess. Anyway, this is a day in my life, so it's as realistic as it gets. I'm currently unemployed. I do start a new job in a week, so I won't be unemployed for very long, but I thought it would be cool to do another one of these because this is real life. It happens. Sometimes you lose your job, sometimes you don't have work to go to, sometimes you're working at home. I've just been wanting to get into kind of like detoxing and things like that. I feel like I've had it's been my birthday month, to be honest, and I've kind of gone a bit ape with things, especially like letting myself go. I know the whole juice cleansing thing is, again, it feels like a bit of a fad, but I thought, okay, I saw it again the other day and I thought I'd give it a go. So this time round I decided to buy, or to go with Press, and Press is a London juicery that I actually have tried some of their juices before when I used to work in London, and I quite like them. I decided to go with the weekend detox, I think it is. So they give you 2 days supply of juices and soups, which I quite liked about this one because I think a lot of them are just juices and I need something with substance because I'm like still busy and stuff, even though I'm unemployed. I just did a workout, so things like that, I need like a bit more bulk in my foods and stuff than just plain juice. They're split into 2 days, as you can see. So for one day you get a kombucha, you get a green juice, which I just need to shake up, it's just separated a little bit. You get a shot, you also get an energy bar, which I'm really excited about eating, to be honest. You get a nut milk here, vanilla nut milk, and you also get, like, I can't remember what this is called, a refresher or something like that. This is just the spirulina one. This soup doesn't actually come with it. I got this soup because they ran out of the other one, which was the tomato one, but I've got the sweet potato and turmeric soup here, a miso, a barley miso, which looks yummy as well, a chickpea and barley soup, and as you can see they're really nice. The variety is quite good actually. I quite like that you get something quite like light, and then you get these heavier soups and stuff, especially if you've got an appetite like me. It's actually nearly, it's 9:15. I don't know if I'm gonna have that turmeric shot because I feel like that was the very first thing I meant to have in the morning. I've already had my like water that I have with lemon and orange and things like that, so I feel like I've already had my little wake up drink. So I might go just straight into the green juice after I have a shower. Coming up to about 10 o'clock. And I'm kind of just having breakfast, so to speak. So I guess I'll just have the Greenhouse 3 juice. This time in the morning after I do my workout, I usually turn on my laptop and like check emails and things like that, just to see if I've got any like job offers or anything like that. I usually also watch like YouTube, catch up with my subscriptions and stuff like that. We're in March, so I keep a bullet journal, so I just like filling this out in the morning. Fairly straightforward, got 1 line a day and then weekly spreads and stuff. So while you're here, we might as well do bullet journaling, and also I will try the juice for you guys. Bottoms up. Oh, it smells so green. It tastes cucumber, like it's quite refreshing, very lemony, I'd say. So yeah, it kind of, it's quite nice because it like it hits the spot a little bit. It's refreshing, so it's nice for like the mornings and stuff when maybe you're not quite awake yet. But yeah, it's kind of what I expected, so there's nothing like too like groundbreaking about it, but it is quite nice and refreshing. So I will have that for my breakfast and do my journaling.
But it's still like, you know, a powerful and peaceful name.
Yeah.
It's truly a beautiful day today. So nice and sunny. You can see I've actually decided to get dressed, put on some makeup, do my hair. I feel a bit better. I feel a little bit more human now. First thing I have to go do, which is unglamorous, I have to admit, is basically go to my doctors and give them a stool sample. That's as real life as it's gonna get, guys, because that's just life right now. We're now into the town centre because I need to sort out my ticket for London for my new job in a week. I need to buy a monthly or weekly, I'm not sure which one, but hopefully they'll be able to help me figure out which one I need to buy. All I know it's going to be a lot of money, so I'm going to have to deal with that. Decided to drop in my stool sample later on because I think it's just going to get in the way. I kind of want to get this ticket done first and then I could just go to the surgery and stuff when I have time later. So yeah, that's the plan for today. And I also decided to take with me for my juice the pressed blue spirulina lemonade, just while I'm out and about. So my mum will be back at 2, so maybe I'll drop in and see her maybe 2ish. We'll see how the day goes. So yeah, I might drop in to see her today.
Select a product using the indicated buttons.
So it's now nearly 2 o'clock and I'm seriously beginning to lose energy. Oh, I'm hungry. So I think I'm gonna have to whip out my juice. Let's give it a good shake. Oh, that's really good. It's definitely lemonade. Again, like really heavy on the lemon. I quite like lemon, so I'm not too fussed about that, but oh, that's so refreshing. And it's such a nice day. It feels like you know, you drink like really cold lemonade on a nice day. So good. So I'm a little bit annoyed. I went all the way to my local train station to get my ticket sorted out to commute to London for my job, and it turns out that I'm actually too early to buy a ticket. So I have to come all the way back tomorrow and get it then. I never like the photo booths. They always make like dark skinned people look really washed out or really dark. I just look really washed out today. Gosh, 26 doesn't look great on me, does it, guys? She picked up some stuff in TK Maxx, some new shoes and stuff. So I got a pair of new loafers for work for next week. Really easy, really simple. They only cost me about 13 quid, which is really good because I think they're leather. Just thought I'd get the Kurt Geiger white leather trainers that they're doing in TK Maxx at the moment. So I just snapped those up because I know that if I wait, they're not going to be there next week. So I thought I'd grab them today, and I think they cost me like 30 quid. So really easy, really unaffordable. Yeah, so I think by now I should have had my spirulina juice and the barley miso broth, but obviously I've been out and I haven't taken the broth with me, so I'm kind of here where I'm meant to be having my first soup of the day, and I forgot to take that with me as well. So I'm kind of sitting here wondering what to do now because I'm getting pretty hungry. I don't think the juice is going to sustain me for that much longer, so I might actually head home soon anyway, and do something else with my time. It is now nearly 20 past 3. I think I'm going to have my first soup of the day. I'm so excited! I'm gonna have some food! I have the sweet potato one for now. And then I might have this one next time. Yeah, let's go with the sweet potato one. This one doesn't actually come in the weekend detox set. I only got sent this because the initial one, the tomato one, I think they were out of stock or something, so they just threw this one in for me, which was really, I'm actually quite happy about, because I'm not a fan of tomato soup. I find it quite boring and bland. I always add my own spices and stuff to recipes just because I don't know. I haven't even tasted it. I don't even know what it tastes like, but yeah. I also added a bit of cinnamon as well. No idea how you say that, but anyway, it kind of adds a bit of a oniony, garlicky taste. But I'll add some ACV as well. I normally like watching something to do with food when I'm eating, so I have plenty to choose from here on my subscription list.
Because it's like a little bit herbal, but it's not overwhelming or like really powerful. But you can tell that it's been brewing like a long time. You can taste like a little hint of the alcohol.
So I'm just gonna go to the doctor's, give him my sample now. I think they said that it closes at 8, so there should be a bit more time left, but we'll see what happens. It's now really late and really dark, which is why the lighting is awful in here, because it just gets really dark in this kitchen. 20 past 6, and I have been a little bit naughty because I've kind of been not hungry, but I've been wanting other stuff today. So I have actually been snacking on raw carrot today. I had a tiny bit of the chickpea and barley soup, but I've actually decided to put it in the freezer so that I could have it for another time, because at the moment I'm just not hungry enough to have the whole thing. So I've actually put it in a little tub here so you can see. So I'm gonna have that maybe next week, just as like a meal. So that will be a really nice meal to have. It actually tastes really good, so I'm really impressed with that. And then I also decided I kind of want something a little bit more hearty, so I have gone with having some chia seeds, a tablespoon of this, as a chia seed pudding. Half of the nut milk in my chia seed pudding, so I'm just waiting for the chia seed to set at the moment. And I have to say, this tastes amazing. It's really nice, really thick, and very vanilla-y, like very like sweet and everything that I love about having dessert. So I definitely feel like this is like the best thing that I've had all day from the set. I feel like that's gonna be it really for the rest of the day. I'm just editing this video right now, so that's probably why everything's so like jumbled. But I hope that you enjoyed coming along and chilling with me today. Again, I did say I was unemployed, so there wasn't crazy amounts to do. I just kind of was at the city centre, the town centre, just doing bits and bobs. So hopefully it was interesting to watch. And if you're thinking about getting anything from press, or maybe this has given you, I don't know, some ideas about the kind of things that you can get. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like what you see and you want me to do anything else like this, then give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment box. Good night.